Before the video starts, make sure you join our free Telegram trading group and that you follow us on Instagram, where we post daily trading content, link in the description. Hello guys, I will show you today how you can get $4,000 in bonuses on ByBit right now, and I will show you click by click how you can log in and claim your rewards and all the other details that you need. Make sure that you stay until the end of the video because we're doing a little giveaway for you guys. After click the link in the description, you will land on the ByBit registration page where you can create your account for free. Next step would be to use your email or your mobile number. For the example, I will use my email, so like and subscribe M&WTrading@gmail.com. Type in the password and make sure that the code 44799 is active so you get all the bonuses. After that you press create account, then you do the bot check, very good, and you verify your email. Now your ByBit account is ready to go. If you own some crypto, for example on MetaMask, you can deposit them, and if you don't own crypto, you can buy crypto with fiat currency. Now you can make your first deposit on ByBit, for example 200 USD, use credit card, and then you will receive 196 USDT. Now let's take a look at the rewards hub. So you click here, then you can see $4,000 deposit blast off and $30 welcome gifts. After deposit you can get up to $30 welcome gifts. For example, $5 after your first future trade. Here you can see how you can get up to $4,000 deposit blast off. So for example, if you deposit more than $3,000 and have it traded volume from over $10,000, you get $100 for free on top. At the end of the video I have a little giveaway for you guys. If you sign up through my link, subscribe this channel, join our Telegram group, link down below, comment done, enter your Telegram name, I will pick a winner who gets $20 ByBit credit. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.